You want to tell stop now?
Yeah.
I think they stopped. Oh no.
This is the one while you was laughing.
You. I can't even feel my throat anymore. Scare me. Scare me. Tim, scare me.
Yeah.
It didn't work.
Laughing a lot's meant to help.
Make me laugh then.
I'm gonna kill you.
It's not gonna make me laugh.
Steph, I didn't know drinking was the answer. Okay, it's non-alcoholic. Or is it?
I think I'm stuck with them for life.
Yeah, you know, we've got that and we're keeping for 69 years.
69 years.
You got a record for it?
You might beat it. I've only been hiccuping for like 10 minutes.
Oh, well. You never know, you can start a record hiccuping your teeth.
I don't want to be hiccuping forever.
69 years and 363 days and a half, yeah. Then he goes, hello, you were just about to beat the world record, how do you feel? Guilty.
Got that symptoms, Tim.
Okay.
I don't think eating will help. I'll try and swallow and then I'll choke on a hiccup. Like I did before. Thank you.
Nah, rubbish. The 2-minute video of Steph hiccuping.
Oh, Tim, I've got an idea. Chase me upstairs. Being chased.
Go on, Bill. You've got it, Bill.
Okay.
Hold your breath.
Yeah.
And you put it down. Okay, deep breath. Jump.
How about standing upside down? I'm going to whack my head up.
There. You're not hiccuping.
I'm actually not hiccuping.
That
It's a mess.
is better. Oh, I like it. And if you no, no, you put it on. Yeah, hiccup. Just think you're hiccup.
I just hiccuped.
Oh, yeah. More. Come and go.
Okay, move over. Right.
Give up. Oh, don't touch me again.
No,
Hang on, I'm standing up on the head. Come on. Come here. She's there.
It's on the floor.
And then,
As you can probably see, her front walls and doors are covered in posters. So sad.
you can come in. Why do you want to hang on and come in there? Oh my God. Or did it? What, you could
Mine. I'll go in my room. I think I'm done. Yes. Woo!